performance. So, let's say you clear the trials and tribulations of setting up the HTC Vive Pro. What, exactly, can you expect in terms of performance? Well, there's not a clear-cut answer here. Like the HTC Vive, your miles will vary. Use a high-powered PC with super sampling turned on, and you'll immediately fall in love with the new headset. Use something that barely scratches the surface of what VR is capable of and, well, you may not notice a huge difference between the HTC Vive and the HTC Vive Pro. Regardless of how well-spec'd your PC is, however, the display is exactly the same. Namely, that's the HTC Vive Pro's 3.5-inch, 2880 by 1600, 615p dual AMOLED screen that sits inside the headset itself. It packs a 90Hz refresh rate and a 110-degree field of view, both of which are unchanged from the original HTC Vive. For some, these numbers will tell the whole story. For others, however, words might paint a better picture. If you're part of the latter group, know that images on the HTC Vive Pro looked incredibly crisp. We noticed significantly fewer jagged edges than before, and even at a distance, objects looked sharper if not 100% crystal clear. The two areas you'll probably notice a big difference if you've used a VR headset before, are in text resolution and in the game's environment. Said simply, more pixels on the screen help hard assets like high-resolution objects and crisp texture packs to look more real and lifelike. This is particularly noticeable when you square up with an object in VR. Looking directly at an object, say in a game menu or a map, the graininess that you might have noticed on the original Vive will almost completely disappear. You'll still notice a fair amount of blurring for objects located on the periphery of your vision, but it's almost unnoticeable unless you spend time actually looking for it.